Hello everyone, welcome back to Flat Media. Today I will show how you can create words using shooting bullets. Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly import the shooting video to the timeline. I will put this shooting bullet in description. Cut the clip at the beginning, just when sound starts, and at the end when shooting sound ends. Adjust the positon. Then go to the last frame of clip and take a snapshot. Drag and drop snapshot next to first to clip. Don't forget to add black color as background. Go to Stock Media tab, then Film Stock and Solid Color. Put black color as first layer. Now copy shooting clip, and paste. Make sure your new clip is starting just before first clip ends. Then double click on clip, scroll down and go to blend mode. Select screen. I will make word F with this shooting bullets. You can make whatever you like. When you changed blend mode, go to the last frame of last clip and take snapshot. Drag and drop snapshot next to second clip. But make sure all snapshots are longer at same duration. Paste next bullet. Double click on clip, and change blend mode. Adjust the positon for your word. Go to the last frame and take snapshot. Drag and drop snapshot next to last clip. Right click and paste next bullet. Change blend mode to screen. Adjust the position of bullet, and take a snapshot. You will need to do the same process to the every bullet until you make the word you like. I will speed up process a little bit. It's really easy but interesting way to create words. This is final result.